Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black rice. Whether you're a curious learner or a dedicated health nut, get ready to be amazed by the secrets this unassuming grain holds. Black rice isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a feast for your body. From boosting your antioxidant intake to supporting heart health, black rice is here to prove that eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Grab your utensils and join us as we journey into the world of black rice, where every bite is a step towards a healthier and happier you. Firstly, black rice isn't just any rice. It's a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin E to iron and zinc, this grain is like a nutritional goldmine that can be also your ticket to a well-rounded diet. What's more, black rice's deep, rich color is a testament to its antioxidant content. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Let's talk about heart health. Black rice is rich in dietary fiber, which can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. A diet high in fiber is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. The deep, dark hue of black rice is due to its anthocyanin content. These antioxidants have been linked to improved cardiovascular health and better blood vessel function. Potassium, found in black rice, plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. A balanced intake of potassium can support overall cardiovascular wellness. Are you into balanced blood sugar levels? Black rice's high fiber content can help slow down the absorption of sugars, offering a steady source of energy and potentially aiding in blood sugar control. Attention digestion enthusiasts. Black rice's fiber isn't just good for your heart, it's also a friend to your digestive system. Fiber supports regularity and can help keep your gut happy. A healthy gut is essential for proper nutrient absorption. By promoting gut health, black rice can indirectly support your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. What's more, black rice is considered a whole grain because it retains its bran, germ, and endosperm. This means you're getting all parts of the grain, each with its unique nutritional benefits. The complex carbohydrates in whole grains, like black rice, serve as a steady source of energy. This sustained energy release can keep you fueled throughout the day. Whole grains have been linked to better metabolic health. By incorporating black rice into your meals, you're adding a nutrient-rich option to your diet. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know black rice is gluten-free goodness? It's naturally devoid of gluten, making it a safe option for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. It's a grain that won't trigger any gluten-related discomfort. For individuals with celiac disease, black rice can be a fantastic addition to their diet. It opens up a world of culinary possibilities without the worry of gluten. If you've experienced discomfort from consuming gluten-containing foods, black rice can be a soothing choice for your digestive system. And there you have it, a journey through the incredible health benefits of black rice. Let's be honest, it's a gift of nature that nourishes both your body and your taste buds. Let's continue embracing the brilliance of black rice with every delicious and nutritious bite. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.